Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload a picture in Outlook web app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you arrive at the page, you'll need to log into your Outlook account using your Microsoft credentials. This ensures you have access to all your email features and account settings. After logging in and your inbox is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there, usually represented by a small circular image or your initials. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This icon serves as your gateway to managing your account preferences and personal information. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on View Account. This option will open a new browser tab and redirect you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Microsoft profile, including your display picture. This is where you'll be able to customize how you appear to others in emails and meetings. Once you're on the account settings page, locate the circular image placeholder near the top of the screen. This placeholder represents your current profile picture, and clicking on it allows you to make changes. Go ahead and click on this circular image area, and a change photo window will appear on your screen. This window gives you several options for managing your profile image. Within the change photo window, you'll see an option that says Add a photo. Click on this option to proceed. This action will trigger your computer's File Explorer window to open, allowing you to browse through your local files and select the image you want to use as your profile picture. Now, navigate through your File Explorer to locate the picture you wish to upload. This could be stored in your Downloads folder, Documents, or any other location on your computer. Once you've found the right image, select it and click the Open button. The image will immediately be added to the window, and you'll see a preview of how it will look as your profile picture. Microsoft Outlook provides you with useful editing tools at this stage. You can crop the image to focus on a specific area or rotate it if needed to get the perfect orientation. Take a moment to adjust the image until you're satisfied with how it appears. These tools ensure your profile picture looks exactly how you want it before finalizing. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click the Save button located at the bottom of the window. The system will process your changes and update your profile picture across your Outlook account. You've now successfully uploaded your picture in Outlook web app, and it will be visible to others when you send emails or participate in meetings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.